Alright, trade recap for the 2 trades that I took last night. First one was on Euro USD. We got stopped out at break even. And then on GU, we had a nice little trade down to here. We did also have news at 2:30 in the morning last night. So that helped push the market in the direction that we wanted to go. Let's go over EU first, which was break even. So first thing I saw we had was a 1 hour fair value gap. And then we also had an SMT with GU right here. My confluence was this 5-minute fair value gap getting inversed, and I entered on the retest of this bearish 5-minute fair value gap. But I broke even once we pushed to this low, and then we can see we got stopped out at break even. On GU, this was actually a really nice trade. There was some high time frame confluence in this, so I noticed that on the weekly time frame we took out the previous weekly high. On the daily time frame, I saw that we had a huge daily fair value gap lower. But if we start to zoom in, we can see that we took out buy side liquidity right here. So I thought price might start to push towards sell side liquidity, but I didn't push there straight away because we needed to have one more like re-manipulation. So we can see that after we took out this high, we're going to hunt for this low. But the market, obviously because the market wanted to be greedy and wanted to get more profits, it came up and it re-swept this high. And that also gave us an SMT with Euro USD like we saw just before. So high, higher high, high, lower high. So that was a nice little SMT. That was some decent confluence on why price might have gone lower. I think news definitely helped like push it lower. You can see at 2:30 a.m. that's when we had a bunch of news, and then after 2:30 a.m. the market absolutely dumped. But anyways, I can't remember exactly where I entered, but I entered based off the internal like this drawn liquidity being taken. So I saw that this high got taken, and then I was like, okay, cool. We've inversed a bullish fair value gap, sorry, sort of like EU. And then as soon as price retraced into it, I looked to press a short. Stop loss was at this high, and I was honestly just targeting here, which isn't a great risk to reward. But yeah, regardless, this was still a dub. I'm not gonna lie. The trade was like, we were lucky to win this. News could have easily just gone higher and stopped me out. So we're very lucky, very blessed to be able to win this trade. If we look at this high right here at 2:30 and this high, we can see we actually made an SMT with EU, right? This high and this high creates a higher high. So we have another SMT right here. So yeah, that definitely would have been some confluence on why price went lower. So we're very lucky that it didn't sweep us and it created an SMT so that price could dump. I remember I didn't even take any partials. I just moved to break even after it pushed past here, and then I full closed around here for a nice 3 risk to reward. But yeah, that is a trade I took. We're very lucky to be able to win that. Very lucky that we got an SMT. Very lucky that news didn't sweep us out. If we traded the EU, we probably would have got stopped out because of that SMT. But yeah, that's the trade we took. I'm very happy I took this. I'm very happy with the model. I like that we took up buy side, and then we ran to sell side after a little like re-manipulation. And yeah, peace out.